Are you thinking of installing a charger at home for your EV? It's one of those things that sounds simple until you realize how important it actually is. So here's the real question. Who's installing it for you? In Malaysia, EV charger installation isn't something just anyone can do. It's regulated for a reason. A proper install needs a licensed electrical contractor and certified wireman or chargeman who follow strict safety standards. Why? Because these chargers deliver a lot more power than your typical household appliances. The right installer would make sure your home wiring is safe, your system is balanced, and the job is done properly. And here's the catch. If the job isn't done by a certified installer, your charger's warranty might not even be valid. At Innovative Green Power, we don't just install. We are fully committed from the site visit to the installation documentation. And of course, we have testing and commissioning to ensure that everything runs smoothly and safely. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what one of our customers had to say after their installation. Mr. Liu, how did you first hear about us at Innovative Green Power?
I actually got your contact from a friend who's driving an EV car.
So what made you decide to choose us for your EV charger installation?
To be honest, I didn't really go and compare around. Once I received the contact, then I just straight away and contact you guys.
How would you describe the responsiveness and communication from our team to your end?
I personally think it's really good, especially Yun Han. She explained everything quite clearly and she figured out that what's the best setup to suit my wall box and to my car. So that's why she came up with this proposal to have a new wiring and separate DB box and etc., which is very good and very responsive.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the overall service you receive?
We give her 10. Everything so far so good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Would you recommend IGP to others? If yes, what would you say?
I would say for sure it's a yes, because from the proposal and from first site meeting until the setup, all the installation, everything is very fast and very effective, which is good. And the proposal, everything is clear. I really like it. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So when it comes to powering your EV, don't take chances. Choose a certified installer. Choose someone you can trust.